Anyway, I passed by the house that had the DVD player out with a bunch of stuff. And I was like, oh, there's the house where I found the DVD player. Then I come across these. Did I just speak that into reality? It's horrific. Falling Down, City Slickers, Ed Wood. Anyway, I wasn't going to record more video, but look at that Infinity. Those aren't too common around here. It's got the older license plates from like 08. I don't know. Toy Story, Cinderella, Danny DeVito, Renaissance Man, Blown Away, Tommy Lee Jones, and Eric Clapton. Money Train, Carpool, never heard of it. More Woodstock, recorded in 94, off cable TV, I assume. A lot of these are blank, which is kind of suspicious. Wow. It's from 85. I hope this one's still good. It's the Sgt. Pepper's Lonely Hearts Club. Now look at that. Right when I said that, some guy walked by from out of nowhere. I said, hey, look at that. He didn't even say anything.